Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Shubham and today I am joined by my friend Minghui. He is pursuing a PhD in artificial intelligence, which is very fascinating. So would you like to introduce yourself?
So I'm Minghui and I'm a PhD student in Taiwan and I'm a friend with Swift.
So we are excited to take you along on our visit to SeaWorld. So we have just taken our train from Waverly and we are on our way to North Queens Ferry. So stay tuned.
가슴이 떨려와 자꾸 미안 네 앞에만 서면 난 너만 보면 이게 아닌데 내 맘은 그게 이런 게 아닌데.
Friends, Deep Sea World Aquarium, which is actually the National Aquarium of Scotland, is located in North Queens Ferry, situated beneath the beautiful and world-famous Forth Railway Bridge. The picturesque views of this place are truly stunning, and during our stroll, we couldn't help but admire the charming architecture of the town. My friend and I found a lovely spot to have lunch at a location on Helen Lane right by the beach. The view was absolutely amazing with the Firth of Forth providing a beautiful backdrop. As we enjoyed our meal, we couldn't help but appreciate the scenery's atmosphere and sound of waves gently crashing against the shore. If you are visiting Queens Ferry, I would highly recommend to spend some time here. After having our lunch, we started heading towards Deep Sea World. It's within walking distance from the train station, so if you're arriving by train, it will take you hardly 6 minutes to get here. The aquarium offers good views over a flooded quarry and along a cliffside, accessible via both stairs and a ramp. The main entrance welcomes visitors to a variety of activities. You can book events like birthday parties, adult or junior shark swims, and night dives for qualified divers. Tickets cost around £18 for adults, £12.95 for juniors, and children's under age 3 go free.
What do you think is the price of this one?
I think it would be around £5.
£5? No, it's triple of that.
Triple
Yeah,
for this.
it's like
Yeah.
£12.
You're kidding, right?
Yeah.
Oh, £12. Wow. Once you enter the aquarium and head to the right, you'll find the Frog Temple. Frogs actually make up 86% of all amphibian species with over 6,300 kinds. If you are a fan of frogs, this is a must-see spot. There are 8 different species here, but they enjoy hiding, making it a fun challenge to spot them all. not only the frogs, but in this section you can also discover a variety of other fascinating sea creatures, making your visit even more exciting. If you go back to the main entrance and turn left instead, you'll find what you would expect in a typical aquarium. They have some fantastic exhibits here, area including tropical fish, Lake Malawi, Scottish seas and rock pools. When you move further and go into the swam section, you will come across tanks showcasing some interesting creatures. One of the highlights here are the red-bellied piranhas, known for their striking appearance and sharp teeth. These intriguing fish are sure to catch your attention as you explore this area. One unique exhibit here is blind cave fish, native to Mexico and Texas. These fish are born with eyes that gradually disappear as they grow older. After passing a few winding tunnels, we arrive at the main attraction of our visit, the underwater shark tunnel. This deep sea world, which is home to one of the longest underwater tunnels in Europe, stretches over 112 meters, giving you a 360-degree view of these majestic predators. As you walk through, you will be surrounded by a variety of shark species, including sand tiger sharks, angel sharks, and the impressive sandbar shark. The tunnel is designed to make you feel like you're walking on the ocean floor, providing a very close and personal look at the sharks as they glide effortlessly above and around you. If you visit here, you will definitely be impressed by the beauty of these amazing creatures. The largest of the sharks, the sand tiger shark, can grow up to 3.2 meters in length and weight around 159 kilograms. In addition to sharks, you'll also see a diverse array of marine life, all coexisting in this stunning habitat. The exhibit does an excellent job of replicating their natural environment, making it both educational and awe-inspiring. The tank holds approximately 1 million liters of water, ensuring plenty of space for all the inhabitants to swim freely. If you are a fan of marine life, the underwater shark tunnel at Deep Sea World is a must-see. So if you ever find yourself in Scotland, make sure to add this in your bucket list. After leaving Deep Sea World and heading back to Edinburgh, we took some time to explore the charming town of North Queen's Ferry. The town was so calm and peaceful. We wandered around and enjoyed its quiet walking trails. We passed by places like the primary school and a boat camp. During our walk, we found ourselves on Ferry Lane, where the houses were beautifully maintained and surrounded by greenery. It was such a pleasure to see how well kept and picturesque everything was.
We are going to the North Queensferry rail station, and we
Okay.
are going back to Edinburgh now.
오늘은 또 어떻게 지낼까